Hi everybody, welcome to SMR Telugu Education. So next one is, what is the output of a given program? So void main int arr of, will take some size a is equal to, array size is 5, first element 9, 19, 29, 39, 49. So int asterisk ptr. So ptr is equal to, just here I am printing printf percentage d space percentage d space percentage d space percentage d comma arr of 2 comma 2 of arr comma asterisk of arr plus 2 comma asterisk of 2 plus arr. So what is the output of this program? Okay. So here arr of 5 is, memory is allocated for 5 elements. So the array size is allocated for 5 elements. So first element is first, second, third, fourth, fifth. First array name is arr of 0. So next one is arr of 1. Next one is arr of 2. Next one is arr of 3. Next one is arr of 4. So every array some base address, here I am taking 500. Next address is 502. Next address 504. Next address 506. Next address 508. If the values is, first starting value is 9. Next one is 19, 29, 39, 49. Here the base array name is pointing to first location. Here the name of an array is arr. So here what is arr? Arr is equal to, array name always gives base address of an array. Here the base address of an array is 500. Arr is 500. So what is asterisk arr? Asterisk arr is 500 address variable, that is arr of 0. Arr of 0, that value is equal to 9. So what is arr plus 1? So whenever arr is base address of an array, whenever we adding one value to the address, it is pointing to next address. That means arr plus 1, the value is equal to the value is equal to 502. So what is asterisk arr plus 1? So arr plus 1 is 502. Asterisk means 502 address variable, that is arr of 1. Arr of 1, this value is equal to 19. Next one is arr of plus 2, value is equal to next address. Arr plus 2 is equal to 504. Asterisk means asterisk arr plus 2. 504 address variable, that is arr of 2. this value is equal to error of 2. So error of 2 value is equal to 29. So error of 2 value is equal to 29. Similarly, this is asterisk error of 2. Error of 2 can be written as asterisk error of 2. This asterisk error plus 2 is also written in the form of asterisk error 2 plus error. Both are same. This value is equal to error of 2. This value is equal to 29. Similarly, manu error of 2 can be written as 2 of error. This is also can be written as asterisk 2 plus error. So this value is equal to error of 2, that value is equal to 29. So you have to run this code. Error of 2 value is 29. 2 error of 2 of error value is equal to 29. Asterisk error plus 2 value is 29. Asterisk 2 plus error value is equal to 29. So now error of 4 can be written as asterisk error plus 4. So error of 4 can be written as asterisk error plus 4, or 4 of error can be written as asterisk 4 plus error of. All are same. You have to run this code. New file f2. So take file name is arr4.c. So void main. So int error of 5. Will take array size equal to 5. Values are 9, 19, 29, 39, 49. Here printf percentage d space percentage d space percentage d space percentage d comma error of 2 comma 2 of error comma asterisk error plus 2 comma asterisk 2 plus error. So all are same. Here clear the screen. CLR SCR F2 save. Alt F9 yes. Debug this code. Initial starting value is 9, 19, 29, 39, 49. Error of 2 value is 29. Alt F5 29, 29, 29.